As the question says, the monkey B shown in figure is holding on to the tail of monkey A, which is climbing up a rope. The masses of the monkey A and B are 5 kg and 2 kg respectively. If A can tolerate a tension of 30 newtons in its tail, what force should it apply on the rope in order to carry the monkey B with it? Now let us suppose that there is tension T in this string that monkey A is basically holding, and let the tension T dash be in the tail of this monkey A. So we can very easily make the free body diagram for the case of maximum tension in the tail of this monkey A. So we are having the mass M for the monkey A, tension T in the upwards direction, T dash in the downward direction along with mg. So we can frame the equation if we take the acceleration upward to be A, that mass into acceleration equals to total upward minus total downward forces, and let us mark it as equation number 1. Similarly, we can draw the free body diagram of the monkey B, where we are having the mass M, T dash in the upward direction, mg in the downward direction, and an acceleration A in the upward direction. Now obviously the acceleration of monkey A and B need to be the same in the upward direction. So from here we can make the equation to be mass into acceleration equal to upward minus downward forces, giving us T dash. Since we already know that T dash maximum is 30 newtons because it has been given here, it gives us the acceleration to be 5. Now putting this acceleration in the first equation along with T dash, we get the tension to be 105 newtons. Now this tension is basically the maximum tension T in this string because we took the T dash to be maximum. Now let us proceed ahead to get the tension minimum. Now that can be from this only you can see that this can be possible when this A is minimum along with the T dash, when the T dash is minimum. So we need to take the acceleration to be 0 in that case, because obviously they can go along with some acceleration or they can move on with 0 acceleration. So if we make the free body diagram, in that case we are having M, mass of monkey A, tension T in the upward direction, T dash in the downward direction, and mg force in downward direction, giving me the relation to be T equals to T dash plus mg because forces must be balanced, and that is T equal to T dash plus 50, marking it as equation number 2. Let us draw the FBD of monkey B in such case where mass is M, having the upward force of T dash and the downward of mg with acceleration 0, giving us the relation T dash equal to mg. Now putting this value in equation number 2, we get the value of tension to be 70. But the thing is that this is basically the minimum tension, because tension will be T dash plus mg, and then we minimize the value of T dash. Getting the point how we got the minimum tension T? We got the minimum tension T because T was 5a plus T dash plus 50. We minimized acceleration A to be 0. Then it became T dash plus 50. And then we minimized this T dash. Then we got the minimum of this tension, and that is 70. Now they have asked what force should it apply on the rope in order to carry the monkey B with it. So we can say that that force must be from 70 Newton to 105 Newtons. Now friends, in this question you must take care of one thing, that if this question comes in more than one correct, then you need to mark all the options that lie between 70 and 105. Suppose they give 75, 80, 105 and 120. then you need to mark first 3 options leaving 120, because most of the times they do this thing that whenever multiple answers are possible like this, when we get the range of answers, they give it in more than one correct type of questions.